my God. Cuz that is a tornado. Like 2 football fields away.
打开门，眼前景象让人惊呆。龙卷风横扫前方住宅，目击民众忍不住爆粗口。
Well, if y'all don't see me again.
美国南部阿拉巴马州遭遇强烈风暴带来的龙卷风，但受害的不光是这里。
Here in Slidell, Louisiana, it only took a matter of seconds for lives to be completely transformed and turned upside down as a powerful tornado tore a path of destruction.
路易斯安那州建筑屋顶被吹掀，空中俯瞰木造支柱裸露，住户边收拾碎片，回忆恐怖瞬间。
The wind's pulling me back, sucking me back, you know, and all of a sudden I hear a noise, and that's when the tree fell on my truck.
住户住了30多年，挺过卡翠娜飓风。不过这种龙卷风第一次遇到。官方证实，虽然是第2弱的 EF1 等级，但风速达到138到177公里，还是造成不少灾损。
EF1 touched down here and then moved to a neighborhood behind the Strip Center. Pedro Rincon's fence and backyard among the casualties.
包括德州，全美5个州，截至当地周42天来多达14起龙卷风。同一个风暴系统甚至出现强阵风、冰雹和暴雨。
This is what it looked like in Tallahassee, the Florida capital here. Water through the streets, water up to the doors of many residences.
佛州部分地区每小时降雨量最大达到50到70毫米，一度关闭道路。路易斯安那州纽奥良也遇洪灾。
Pittsburgh, you have a flash flood warning going on right now because it has been raining, especially in the western suburbs, so hard for so long.
风暴一度造成全美10万户停电，墨西哥湾沿岸各地传出灾情，估计恶劣天气系统将一路往东北移动。TVBS 新闻报道。
想看最完整的新闻内容，记得下载 TVBS 新闻网 APP。